FN America is a consolidation of two existing entities, FN Manufacturing and FNH USA. Both were established for different reasons. FN Manufacturing was established to service our defense and military customers in the U.S. back in the early 80s. FNH USA became the business development arm of the company. The two were combined in 2014.
What really makes our capabilities unique is our 125-year history of gun making. It's just experience that you just can't make up for. For example, when this factory was built, it was built to make the M240 machine gun for the U.S. government, which was a Hurstel design. And at that time, FN Hurstel sent over a large group of engineers to help start up this plant and help transfer that process knowledge so that we could be assured of a successful launch.
FN America focuses on three business segments: the federal and military market, commercial, and law enforcement. Early in the formation of FN in the U.S., we won the contract to produce the M16 A1 in Colombia. That culminated a couple years ago with the win of the M4, and now we're producing M4 and M4 A1s for the U.S. Army.
The first step in our gun barrel manufacturing process is here at the gun drills. We start with a solid blank of steel, and in this operation we're going to cut the whole of the barrel to form the bore, and we're going to cut it slightly undersized at this step. Following the gun drill operation, the next step is to finish the inside of the bore, and we use two different processes for doing that. We use a reaming operation or a honing operation. Once we have finished the bore diameter in the barrel, it's time to put the rifling inside the barrel. We have two methods that we use for establishing the rifling in the barrel. The first is the button broach. In the button broach operation, we use a button that has the rifling formed into it in reverse, and the button is forced through the bore of the barrel. And as you force that button through the barrel, it transfers the rifling to the barrel. This process is used for the M4, M16, and for commercial barrels. One method of putting the rifling into a barrel that we have is the cold hammer forge technology. That's the process we use for making our machine gun barrels and for our higher end rifle barrels. The way that the hammer forge process works is that a mandrel like this is inserted inside the bore of the rifle. The mandrel has the rifling imprinted on it in reverse, and the mandrel is inserted in the bore, and then the hammer forge hammers on the outside of the barrel. It hits the barrel so hard and so fast that it then forms the bore of the rifle onto the mandrel, which then makes the rifling.
To watch this entire episode on Outdoor Channel, contact your TV provider today.